Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Raihan Adiguna. I'm going to tell you about passive voice and active voice. So, let's get started. The first, passive voice. What is passive voice? Passive voice is a form of passive sentence where the subject acts as the one receiving treatment from the object. If in active voice, the subject does the verb. In passive voice, it's the opposite. The function of passive voice. 1. To explain sentences whose subjects are inanimate objects. For example, those buildings were ruined by weather anomaly. 2. To describe an event where the perpetrator is unknown. For example, my wallet was stolen when I strolled on this way. 3. To describe an event whose object is more important than the subject. For example, the experience is conducted between June and September 2019 in Komodo Island, Indonesia. 4. To describe two events in one sentence. For example, when Faza went to school, she was beaten and her pocket money is confiscated by some punk kids. Next, structure of passive voice. The general structure of passive voice is recipient plus to be plus past participle plus agent. For example, the new record was made by Usain Bolt. The new record is a recipient, was is to be, made is a past participle, and by Usain Bolt is an agent. This is the formula of passive voice from the word it. The second, active voice. What is active voice? Active voice is a verb or a verb form where the subject in a sentence performs an action that is indicated in a verb. So, the subject performs an action or activity that show its movement. Structure of active voice. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, Henry kicks the ball. Henry is a subject, kicks is a verb, the ball is an object. The example from active voice to passive voice. The first example, in active voice, Henry kicks the ball. If we want to change an active voice to a passive voice, the form becomes the ball is kicked by Henry. The second example, in active voice, Henry was eating meatball. In passive voice, the form becomes meatball was being eaten by Henry. Reverence. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.